If you've had trouble getting one of these ESP32-CAM boards to work, you're not alone. They're all trash clones with no documentation. So here's how I got it to work. Use an FTDI adapter. Best way to program it. RX to TX, TX to RX. The pins are on the right of the board here. Power and ground. For some reason, not all these pins work for powering the device. I used 5 volts here and ground here, top of the board. If you're going to use 5 volts, make sure your 5 volt jumper is set on the adapter. Now, to put the device in programming mode, you have to jump IO0, one of the pins, to ground while it's booting. So while you basically power the device or push the reset button, that button or jumper has to push that pin to ground. No problem. To get the device to run the code, just don't push the button or don't jump that pin while booting. No problem. To get the Arduino example to work for this particular board, with the web server and all that stuff, use this board model. Here are your settings. Pause the video, and then uncomment this definition. Okay, nothing else seemed to work for me. If you're on Linux, you have to make sure that TTY USB has read, write, execute permissions. So just chmod that, 777, whatever, get that to work. Anyway, you run the example, it will give you an IP address to connect to, blah, blah, blah. You will have abilities to connect to the device and get a very, very bad, low resolution, bad frame rate video. So yeah, it does work. It is trash, agreed, but it's cheap, so who cares?